Life may be full of challenges, but the important thing is how we handle or tackle those challenges. People with a fixed mindset tend to think that their abilities are passed on to them genetically and their surroundings impact them. On the other hand, people who have a growth mindset believe that you can improve yourself over time irrespective of genetics and circumstances. There are simple ways by which you can acquire a growth mindset. Try out these steps. Ensure that you are learning something new every day. Expand the sources of learning. Be in the company of people with a can-do attitude. Change your perspective about success. Just like success, change your attitude towards failures as well. Start small and then push yourself towards achieving big goals. The journey to acquiring a growth mindset is slow and definitely is not going to be easy, but it is totally worth doing this work.